Eno and Water experiment by Omkar Rohankar, class 7th, Balbharti Public School, Kudgi. For this experiment you required 2 glasses of water, 2 biscuits, 2 Eno packets, 1 spoon. First we will put this biscuit piece inside this water. We will let it to settle down. Now you can see that after some time the biscuit has been settled down by itself. Now what we will do is put Eno in the other glass of water. You can see the effervescence made by the Eno in the water. We will pour it full. There is a very strong effervescence. You can hear the sound. So now it has been settled down. I will mix it. Now I have mixed the Eno in water. Now I will put this biscuit piece inside this water. The biscuit is floating now. But if I will press it to go down, see, I am pressing it, but it's still coming up. It's still coming up. See. Now till down I will press it. Still it's coming up. This is happening because you can see that in the first glass where I have not put it Eno, the biscuit just sank down. But here where I put Eno, the biscuit is floating. This happened because due to the Eno, the density of water is increasing than the density of the biscuit. So after putting the Eno in the water, the biscuit will float on it. So thank you for watching.
I am Lakshmi from the 8th class. I am doing the activity of everyday science. Let's start. Here I will take 1 glass of water. In that water I will put 1 egg on it. It is not flow. See here, it just swings on the path of the water. Because the egg have a higher density than the water. And again I taken 1 glass of water and I add some salts here. And I mix it well. And again I will putting 1 egg here. See, it is floating. See, it is floating. Because here egg is the less density than the salt water. So it is floating. This activity name is In Salt Water Floats the Egg. Thank you.
So here I have a candle, matchbox, baking powder and vinegar. I am pouring the vinegar into the glass of baking powder. As soon as I pour the vinegar starts reacting with baking powder to evolve carbon dioxide. So here I have a lighted candle. I'm taking the glass near to the candle and we can see the flame goes off. This is because of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it forms a blanket around the flame which cut the supply of oxygen, and we know that for combustion oxygen is required. Thus carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Khyati Desai of VIII and today I'm going to demonstrate an experiment on the density of hot water and cold water. So this yellow colored one is cold water and red colored water is hot water. So now I'm going to add a plastic cover on the cold water one, and with the help of my mother I'm going to flip it on the hot water glass. So now I'm going to take this plastic sheet out to see what happens. So the red color mixes with the yellow color because the cold water is denser than hot water, and hot water tends to stay up and cold water tends to stay down. So they mix with each other. So now I'm going to reverse the process and keep the hot water glass on the top of the cold water with the help of my hand. So you should also be careful while doing this so that it doesn't mix. You even need to touch the edges of the two glasses. So now, as you can see, the yellow colored water is on the bottom only, and the red color also stays on the top. This is because hot water tends to stay up, so it doesn't mix with the cold water that is below. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pranavi from class 9th and today I am going to explain my experiment. In this experiment we need to take one lemon, two plastic bowls, and in that we should put some coriander leaves, and in one plastic cup we should add lemon, and in another one we should add water. As we keep it for several days, the result is seen that in the one which we have put lemon, the coriander seeds in that will not grow well, while in the one which we put only pure water will grow well.